Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to NEPH. I'm your tutor, Mr. Okuki, and if you're new to the channel, you're highly welcome to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to some students of yours. So let's get right into today's question. It says, if x squared minus 7x plus 1 is equals to 0, then we should find the value of, in bracket, x plus the inverse of x, or 1 over x. So how do we solve this simple question? There are two ways we can approach it. Now the first way is this. Although most times when you're given quadratic equation, you want to check the discriminant if it is factorizable or not. So we want to check our b square minus what 4ac if this is going to give us the perfect square. All right. So our b is what? Minus 7. So minus 7, all this squared minus 4, multiply. Our a here is 1, okay? And our c here is also 1. So minus 7 squared means, minus 7 times minus 7, minus 4 times 1 is still 4. So this is going to give us minus times minus is plus. 7 times 7 is 49. So minus 4. This is going to give us what? 45. Okay. Now 45 is not a perfect what square. Okay, because if we take the square root of this, we are going to have our answer in decimal. So based on that, it means we cannot factorize this to get the two values of x and substitute into this. All right, so I'm going to use another approach to be able to solve this. Now, one method is this. We have x squared minus 7x plus 1 is equal to what? 0. So all you want to do is you want to divide all through by what? X. So I want to divide this by x, divide this by x, divide this by x, and divide this by x. So if we do that, x here will cancel out one of these. So we have just x minus x will cancel x here. So we have minus 7. So we have plus 1 over what? X, which is equal to x divided 0 is to 0. Okay. Now at this point, we can realize something here. I can see we have x and we have what? Our plus 1 over x. So now that we can see x and plus 1 over x, it means I can decide to rearrange, that equation. So if I rearrange that equation, what would that give us? So all I need to do is I can bring this close to this. So I'm going to have x plus what? 1 over what? X. We have minus 7. Okay, it's equals to what? 0. Now, how do I remove minus 7? I'm going to add 7 to both sides. So we're going to have our x plus 1 over x minus 7 plus 7. And we're going to add, 7 to what? 0 on the right-hand side. So this is going to give us minus 7 plus 7 is 0. So we are left with x plus what? 1 over x is equal to 0 plus 7 is 7. So this is one, way to easily arrive at your answer, okay, where you divide all through by x. Now, the second way is simply, okay, we have our x squared minus 7x plus 1 is equals to what? 0. So all we want to do is we want to remove minus 7x, from both sides. So I'm going to have x squared, okay, minus 7x. It means I'm going to be adding 7x here to be able to remove minus 7x. So we have plus 1 is equals to what? 0 plus what? 7x. Okay, so minus 7x plus 7x is 0. So we have our x squared plus, this is 0 plus we have 1, which is equal to 0 plus 7x is 7x. So x squared plus 0 is to x squared plus 1. So we have our x squared plus 1, which is equals to what? 7x. So this is another approach with which you can solve this problem. Now, at this point, you can now divide all through by x. If I divide this by x, I'm going to divide this by x, I'm going to divide this by x. So if we do that, x will cancel one of these here, so we have x. So we have plus, this is 1 over what? X, which is equals, x will cancel x here is 1, 1, so we have 7 on the right hand side. So either way, when you solve it, you are going to see that your x plus the inverse of x is equals to 7. So that gives us the simple solution to this simple problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment or two, and share this video to someone out there. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.